I just wanted to share a brief training video for you on Performance Matters. First of all, you want to make sure you're in the current year. Current year never has a year on it. So if you see like 2025 on there, that's last year's data. You want to make sure that you are in the one with no school year. On your home screen, you see students from your classes. You can toggle to specific classes if you want to see them one at a time. And within any of those, you can also drill into individual students, and you can see information on those individual students by going to this test results tab. Now, depending on when they moved here and what courses they've been in, you'll be able to see state scores, maybe additional scores. District assessments are in there from previous years and from the beginning of this year. So those are some of the things you'll see there. If you'd rather see more overall report of how your classes lay out, you want to go to Reports and Baseball Card Report. So this is more of an at a glance for all of your students. Here on the left, you can see some of the options, typically state test results. You can see your PSSAs, and district assessments are the ones that we want to focus on the most. CAPD, this is our reading assessment. And you just drill down. This happens to be the first year we've used CAPD, so that's why you're only seeing 1 year there. So you can see the reading measure. So this is their Lexile, and the level of success that they had with that beyond the numbers are color-coded. In addition, let's say you want to do HMH growth measure for math. Again, we can go into this school year. It's up to you if you want to do previous years. BOY is beginning of year. We're going to use scale score here. Do not use performance level right now. We're still fixing that, but you can drill into other areas if you want to. And now you can see for each of your students how they are doing. If you want to filter things a little bit more or add columns, so here you can adjust columns if you want to see maybe what their current grade level is. It'll add that column. If you want to add a filter, let's say you just want to see, a certain course or a certain class period, you could drill into just the class period that you have them. For this, I'm just going to leave it with all of them. You can also sort these. So if you wanted to know, okay, I want to sort them by their Lexile, you can hit these little tiny arrows here and sort A to Z or Z to A. So here you can see how it groups them all together. Of course, you can't group both columns at the same time, but you get an idea of how that looks. If it's white, it means they did not take that assessment for one reason or another. It could be they just moved in or were absent several days.